Join Harness as she embarks on an adventure through the natural world right in the heart of the city at Zoo Negara. The National Zoo, or Zoo Negara, is a Malaysian zoo situated on 110 acres of land in Ulu Klang, Gombak District, Selangor, Malaysia. It was officially inaugurated on November 14, 1963, by Malaysia's first Prime Minister, Tunku Abdul Rahman. Explore diverse wildlife and captivating exhibits, experiencing the wonders of nature up close in this urban sanctuary. The park features aviaries simulating various habitats like wetlands, rainforests, and savannas. You can also feed some birds with seeds or fruits provided by the staff. The zoo features many other zones and exhibits worth exploring, including the Bear Complex, Catwalk, Insect Zoo, Children's World, and Savannah Walk. This popular zoo attraction features adorable giant pandas, Xing Xing and Liang Liang, on loan from China since 2014. The center replicates their mountain habitat with cool temperatures, bamboo plants, and waterfalls. Visitors can also learn about panda conservation efforts and challenges in the interactive gallery. The reptile park features both indoor and outdoor exhibits, showcasing saltwater crocodiles, false gharials, and dwarf crocodiles. Visitors can see a wide range of animals such as tigers, lions, leopards, bears, monkeys, deer, zebras, giraffes, rhinos, hippos, kangaroos, penguins, butterflies, insects, fish, and more. The Tunku Abdul Rahman Aquarium, one of the oldest public aquariums in the country, offers Malaysia's first exhibition on the Malaysian river journey, showcasing aquatic life from the highlands to the sea. Explore nature with us at Ramada Suites by Wyndham, Kuala Lumpur City Centre.